Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. If you know anything about me, I love chicken and I love chicken breasts. And so what we did is we got some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, stuffed them and made a variation of chicken Poblano. Now, this isn't authentic, but it's our version and this is going to be so delicious. So let me walk you through it. First off, I got 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, so I'm just going to go ahead and take a sharp knife, and I'm going to cut these, I'd say about halfway through. Okay, now I'm going to stuff these with a couple of sliced mushrooms, some old shredded cheddar cheese, now you can use the cheese of your choice, and a roasted red bell pepper. You can use fresh bell peppers, whatever you like. I just like the roast. And of course a few chili flakes just for some heat. We're just going to kind of close this up. You want to do this gently. Next up, I'm going to add some oil into an 8x8 baking dish. Place the breasts in. A drizzle of olive oil over the top, and of course some salt, and my all-time favorite spice, pepper, and I'm going to add lots because I just love pepper. Another one I just love is some Parmesan, and we're just going to spread this over the top. It smells so good and hasn't even cooked yet. And last but not least, some parsley flakes. And I always say this, I wish we had smell-o-vision. This, even before it's cooked, just smells so good. Now we're going to slip this into a 350-degree Fahrenheit, 177 Celsius preheated oven for about 30 minutes. While the chicken is baking, Coco is learning some tricks, and one of them is learning to walk. After about 30 minutes, our chicken is beautifully done, and there you have it, guys. Our stuffed chicken breasts are a variation of chicken Poblano. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's good enough. All right, let's go ahead and plate this up. Okay, let's go ahead and taste this. Guys, I think I'm in heaven. This is so good. The chicken is juicy, tender. I love the spices, the peppers, the cheese. Incredible. You gotta make this. Head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool chicken recipes over there. Thanks for subbing and thanks for watching, and see you next time.